Hello, my name's Sunde from Sunde White Industries, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw shooting stars. Because nothing could be funner to add to your drawing abilities than shooting stars. So there you go, there's a shooting star. It's super easy. You can decorate everything you want, your scrapbooks or whatever, with shooting stars. If you want to learn more awesomely easy art tips, please subscribe to my channel because I like to give you easy art tips all the time. I gotta go, the dogs are barking.